Abortion will be a hot-button issue again when Louisiana lawmakers convene next Monday. The strictest bill would follow Mississippi's lead, banning abortion once a fetal heartbeat is detected. Fox 14's Bria Jones speaks with the bill's sponsor to get more insight.
Abortion is a national emergency.
On the heels of Mississippi Governor Phil Bryant signing the fetal heartbeat bill into law, Louisiana Senator John Milkovich pre-filed a bill hoping to follow in the state's footsteps.
Americans are taking up arms all over the breadth of our great country to take this battle to the enemy.
Milkovich says while he knows the bill is controversial, he believes it's in the state's best interest.
Children are our future, our destiny, and our hope. We in Louisiana have determined that we will fight the abortion lobby.
State Representative Katrina Jackson says she plans to support the bill.
I'm voting yes on the bill. I know it's a very controversial bill, but if you're pro-life at all stages of life.
Jackson has been at the forefront of Louisiana's pro-life movement. She's also pre-filed a bill called the Love Life Amendment. In the event Roe versus Wade is overturned, the Love Life Amendment is intended to enforce the reversal and protect unborn babies.
I'm looking at it as a holistic approach. If I'm going to stand and ask you to choose life, I'm also going to make sure that there's legislation and things in place that when you choose life, you can provide a great life for your family.
Reporting, Bria Jones, Fox 14 News.
If Representative Jackson's bill is passed in this session, then it'll appear on your ballot in October.